Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss data types in C++ and operators in C++. Before going to discuss data types in C++ and operators in C++, we revise the yesterday class. So what are the topics covered in the yesterday class? Here introduction to C++. This is the structure of the C++. So in the structure of the C++, how many parts are there? So C++ program contains 4 sections. The first section include files. Second one, class declaration. Third section, class function definitions. Fourth section, main function program. This is the structure of the C program. I will give the example. So how many parts of the C++ program? Then there are 4 parts. Okay, all of you, 4 sections. So then the next one is, this is an example program. So in this example program, then here hash include stdio.h, hash include iostream.h. So this is the iostream input output. Stream means file dot header file. Whereas in C language, we want to use input output functions. So then printf and scanf we should define stdio.h. Whereas in C++, so we want to use cin and cout functions. We should define iostream.h. Okay, clear. So then here cin and cout. Cin is an input function in C++. So it is used to get an input from the keyboard. All of you. Then what is an input? Input means here what we are getting, what we are giving to the computer is known as input. What we are giving to the computer through devices, those are called input devices. What we are giving to the computer through input devices, so input functions, those are called input functions. Then the next one is output function, cout. Cout is an output function. This is used to display the string or variable values, etc. This is an output function in C++. All of you. Then cin and cout, these are the input and output functions. This is a sample program. This program is used to read xy values, then xy values, and calculate sum and display x value and display y value, finally display sum value. So then this is the x and y, read x y values, then calculate sum value, then display x value, display y value, and display sum value. This is the simple C program. This is also same as in simple C++ program. This is same as in C program. Clear, all of you. Then there is only the difference is cin and cout iostream.h. Then the remaining structure is same as in C. Clear, all of you. This is the simple C++ program. Then the next one, input output streams. So here simple is cout double less than, that is called insertion operator. Then display the sum, display the sum, their sum is, and display value of the sum. What is the value of the sum? Then slash n is a new line character. Slash n is a new line character. Then there is a word endl. So then that is a new keyword that is occurring C++. That is same as slash n. Here that is the new line character. Clear, all of you? Then this is the output stream. So this output stream, then cout. Here insertion operator, then sum is a variable. This operator collects the value in the sum memory location. The value assigned into screen. The value assigned into screen with the help of cout. This is an object. This is an insertion operator. This is a variable. So variable, the variable name is called sum. So it has some idea value. The value insert onto the screen with the help of output screen. Clear, all of you? Then the next one is input stream. This is an input function cin. So this operator is known as extraction operator. Extraction operator. So see the diagram, all of you. Then this is the keyboard. With the help of cin operator, First read the value from the keyboard, then the given value extraction operator. So assign a value into a variable x, memory location variable x. Clear all of you? Simply read a value with the help of extraction operator, the value assigned into x variable location. Clear all of you? So input and output streams. Next, cascading of input output streams. So we want to read more than one value. We want to read more than one value with the help of one single statement, cin statement or cin statement. We should use this type of expressions here. Simply cin greater than. This is called extraction operator. So again extraction operator y. Here cin x comma cn x y. Then so here reading how many values, that there are two values. The first value is x value, second value is y value. Then here simply using only one statement. Here how many extractions? Then two extractions. So then here see out, display one value, then display another value, then another statement. Then this is also so insertion operator. So see out is an output statement or function, then this is called insertion operator. So this type of examples or this type of statements or functions are called cascading of input output operators. Clear? Next one is basic terms in C++ here. Tokens, the smallest individual unit of a program are known as tokens in C++. Clear all of you? Then how many tokens? Then simply 5 types of tokens. So keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, operators. So how many? 5 types: keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, and operators. These are the keywords. Yesterday, last class, we discussed each and every keyword. Okay, all of you. Then the next one is identifiers. Identifiers are the names of the variables, functions, functions, arrays, classes, etc. All of you. So variables are the names of the identifiers are the names of the variables, functions, arrays, classes, etc. created by the programmer, created by us. Okay, clear? Identifiers are created by us. So then here simply identify names of the variables. How to write a name of the variable? So are you following any rules? Yes, we should follow some rules and regulations. Here the first rule is the first letter must be an alphabet. The first letter must be an alphabet. Okay. Then the remaining letters, alphabet or an underscore also allowed. The first letter must be an alphabet or an underscore. Second rule, then the remaining letters, alphabets, digits, or both. Okay, no problem. Second rule. First rule is the first letter must be an alphabet or an underscore. Then the second letter, is both characters and digits are combined. Okay. Next one, third rule is special symbols are not allowed into the variable name. Special symbols are not allowed into the variable name. Then the fourth rule is keywords are not allowed into the variable name. Keywords are not allowed into the variable name. Clear? Then these are the most important identifier naming identifier rules while naming a variable name. Clear all of you? The first letter must be an alphabet or an underscore. Then the second letter must second letters. Okay, alphabets, digits are both. Third letter blank. Special characters are not allowed into the variable. Special characters are not allowed into the variable, including blank space. Clear? Then keywords are also not allowed into the variable name. Keywords are also not allowed into the variable name. Then the fifth rule is lowercase and uppercase letters are significant. Lowercase and uppercase letters are significant. So fifth rule. Constants. We know there are two types of constants. Already we discussed last class. The first one is numeric constants. Second one is non-numeric constants. The first one, there are two types. Numeric constants also two types. Integer constants and real constants. Integer constants, example 123. Integer constants, example here 123, 123, 0, etc. minus 123, etc. Okay, then the next one, real constants, example 0.0083, 9.0.95, etc. Come this side, right side. So character constants. Character constants are, there are two types. The first one is single character constants and string constants. So single character constants, each character enclosed within single quotations, each character, okay, enclosed within single quotations, that is called string constant, character constant. Then the next one is string constant, example hello, then that is enclosed within hello, that is enclosed within double quotations, that is enclosed within double quotations, then this is called string constant. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, this is also string constant. Why? Because then that is enclosed within double quotations. Why? Because that is enclosed within double quotations. These are the constants. Based on these constants, our developers like Dennis Rich, the Ken Thompson, then the John Strostrup, then they are based on these constants, they are classified data types, categorized, then various types of data types. So next slide we will discuss. Then these are the examples of constants. Here 123, that is a decimal integer constant. Then 12.73 floating integer constant. 37 is an octal integer constant. X2, that is hexadecimal integer constant. Then the next one, C++ string constants. Then B is a character constants. It's simply here constants. Clear? Then these are the data types. Then what are the data types? Mainly there are three types of data types. There are three types of data types. The first one is basic are fundamental data types. Basic are fundamental data types. Second one is derived data types. And the third one is user defined data types. So today we are going to discuss data types and operators. Clear all of you? Today we are going to discuss data types and operators. Basic data types. Simply basic data types. So are basic data types are again divided into numeric and non-numeric data types. Numeric and these are the numeric data types. These are the non-numeric data types. Then numeric and non-numeric data types. Simply there are 6 numeric data types. Here how many? So here short, into, long, float, double, long, double. These are the 6. Okay, 6 numeric data types and two non-numeric data types. Two non-numeric data types. Those are char and bool. Char and bool. Out of the 6 numeric data types, out of the 6 numeric data types, there are integer types and 3 are the integer types. 3 are the integer types. What are the integer types? Here short, int, long int. Then these 3 are the integer types, and the remaining three are the floating types. Floating types like bank accounts, rupees and pies. Okay, prices. For example, 94 rupees, 56 pies. That situations we should use float, double, long double, etc. These are the decimal points, precision points available in these three. Then the remaining round values only short, so integer, long, etc. These various integer data types are short, int, and long. Clear? So long. The various floating point data types are float, double, float, double, float, double, and long double. Float, double, and long double. The sizes and the ranges of these data types are follows. Here short int. So how many bytes memory used? 2 bytes. Then the range equal to 32,768 to 32,767. Precision point not applicable. Okay, then the next one integer data type occupies 4 bytes memory. Then this is the range. So here also precision point not applicable. Next one long integer, it is also occupies 4 bytes. Then this is the range. Then precision point not applicable. Then the next one is float data type. Float data type occupies 4 bytes memory. Then this is the range of the float data type. Then your precision points, how many after decimal point? 7 digits. Okay, how many digits? 7 digits. Then the next one is double. Double occupies 8 bytes memory. This is the range of the double. Then 15 digits after decimal point. Then long double. Then it occupies 10 bytes memory. This is the range of the long double. Then precision point 19 digits. You can write. Okay. Then these are all the data types, numeric data types already discussed in C language. I think you are very familiar. Okay, good. Next one is non-numeric data types. There are char and bool. There are char and bool. Example char C1 equal to A. CHAR char. This is a keyword. So this is the data type. The data type equal to char. C1 equal to A. C1 is a variable name. Then equal to A. Equal to is an assignment operator. The right side value assigned into left side operand. Good, all of you. So the right side value assigned into left side operand with the help of assignment operator. The A value, this is a single character constant. Why? Because A is enclosed within single quotation. A is enclosed within single quotation. That's why that is called character constant. Clear, all of you? A value assigned into C1 memory location. Here C1 occupies how many bytes memory? 1 byte memory. Next, go to another example here. Char name of 20. Character name of 20. Here name of 20 means here C1 equal to A. So here we will assign a single character. We will assign a single character into C1. The character is A. So here simply character C1. So I didn't specify like this. So this is a single character variable. It occupies only one block memory. The block memory size equal to 1 byte memory. So A equal to A assign into C1 memory location. Character name of 20. So name is a character variable. So name occupies 1 byte memory. But of 20, then here means your name is a character array. How many characters we can store? Total 20 characters. Okay. Here Tarakesh for Rao, for example, 11 characters. Is it possible to store in name? Yes. Why? What is the maximum size of the name? 20. Here 0 to 19. Lower bound value equal to 0. Lower bound value equal to 0. Upper bound value equal to n minus 1. 20 minus 1 equal to 19. Simply we will store 20 characters in a name memory location. Clear, all of you? Then name occupies 20 blocks memory. Each block occupies 1 byte memory. Contiguous memory blocks. A new data type called bool. A new data type is called bool. All of you, this is bool. Has been included in C++. It returns a boolean. Example bool x comma y. So x equal to true. Here true means that is equal to 1. Clear, all of you? That is equal to 1. False means false equal to false. False means false equal to 0. Clear, all of you? Then true and boolean expressions. Okay, bool x comma y where x equal to true. Here if it is true, it returns 1. If it is false, it returns 0. Clear, all of you? Then these are the basic data types available in C++ language. What are the basic C++ and C language also? So that's why C is an extension of the C language, or C++ features extracted from the C language. All the data types, these are all the data types, these are all in C language and also C++. That's why C with classes. Okay, C++. So C++ features are extracted from the C language. Clear, all of you? This is the one concept. What are the data types available in C language? Same data types. What are the data types available in C++? Those are all same, all of you. Then character and boolean types. Then the next one is user defined data types. User defined data types. There are structures unions, structures, unions, enumeration and classes. These four are the user defined data types. These four are the user defined data types. Here structures and unions, structures and unions, structures and unions, same as in C language, same as in C language. Here structure is nothing but a collection of different data items. Simply structure is nothing but a heterogeneous data structure or data. Okay, heterogeneous data structure. Simply unions, structures and unions are same, but what is the difference between structure and unions? Simply a structure, come here, simply this is the structure, struct books, here character title 50, so then title 50, I mean we will store 50 characters in a title. This is a string variable. String is nothing but collection of one or more characters. Your title is a string variable. Then the next one, character author of 50, then author name also 50 characters maximum size. Then character subject 100 bytes, then integer book id, then this is the book. Then here struct book, character title, character author, character subject, integer book id. Then so here book is a variable of the structure. Book is a variable of the struct books. Clear all of you? This is the variable. Here means we can store all kinds of data in the sense here character data and integer data. So we will fill and we will store in book memory location. Simply here book memory, how many bytes memory occupies book variable, book structure variable, here title 50, author 50, subject 50, total 200, and book id, it is an integer variable, int occupies here simple, for example 2 bytes, total how many bytes, 202 bytes memory occupies book variable. Clear all of you? Then this is the structure. Here structure variable occupies the total members memory, total members of the structure memory. Clear all of you? Come here. Then union books, here character title of 50, character author of 50, character subject of 50, and integer book id. So then this is the union name book, this is the union name book. But what is there any difference? No. Here structure is same as union. Union is also same as structure. But why? What is a major difference? Is there any difference? Yes, there is a major difference. Then here simply book occupies the total members of the structures. The total members memory of this structure books. Clear book. Total how many? 202 bytes occupy book variable. Whereas in this unions, this book occupies 100 bytes memory only. 100 bytes memory only. That is the difference. How? So the union variable occupies the which is the highest memory member in the structure union, that much memory only occupies the book. Okay, ma, union variable. Clear all of you? That's why here character subject of 100, book occupies 100 bytes memory. Then it can serve the remaining variables. So clear? So then that is the major difference between structure and union. Then the next one is the enumeration data type. Enumeration data type, third one, enumeration data type. So enumeration data type, example, enum year, simply assign index values to the set of strings. Clear all of you? So enumeration data type is used to assign index values, sequencing index values. So in the set of strings. Clear? So enumeration year is a enumeration variable. This is the data type. Year is a variable. Here Jan, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then these are all the months. Then the enumeration data type here here of 4. So simply display year of 4. So what is the value? Simply here assign here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply display may, may, may. Clear all of you? Then here simply you're starting with 0, ending with n minus 1. Here 12 minus 1 equal to 11. December index value equal to 11. Simply this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So enumeration data type assigns index values. Clear all of you? Then the simply so these user defined data types, so structures, unions, enumerations already learned in C language. Clear? Already learned in C language. So user defined data types, how many? Four types. So structures, unions, enumeration already we learned. Then we don't know about the class. Simply already we learned in fundamentals. What is the definition of class? Class is nothing but collection of or a set of members and member functions. Class is nothing but collection of members and member functions. Clear all of you? A class is collection of members and member functions. Yes. So this is a class. A class is a way to bind the data and its associated functions together. It allows data and functions to be hidden if necessary from external use. Generally, the class specification has two parts. They are class declaration and class function definitions. Class declaration and class function definitions. This is the class declaration and class function declarations. So simply this class is a keyword, then this is a user defined name. Clear all of you? Class is a keyword, then the next one, this is class name is a user defined word. So classes in C++, in C language structures, so same as in structures, then only the little bit difference. So that is then how to define variables and methods in class. So we are discussing here class name, then private, then public, then two parts here class, then private variable declarations and function declarations, public so variable declarations and function declarations, all of you. Then here private variable declarations and function declarations, public then variable declarations and function declaration. This is the general form of the class declaration. Clear all of you? Simply here class is nothing but collection of members and member functions. So here variable declarations, variables are also called members. Then functions are also called a collection of variables and methods, functions. Okay. So members and member functions. Then here public also, public variable declarations and function declarations. Simply class is nothing but a collection of members and member functions. This is the general form of the class declaration. Example, this is example. Class item, integer number, float cost, public, void get data integer a comma float b, void put data of void. Then this is the example of a class. Then integer number, float cost, then these two are the members of this class. Clear all of you? So integer number, numb, float cost, these two are the members of this class. Next one public, then here I didn't mention any access specifier or visibility. Then the by default is private visibility. It will take the default visibility. So which is the default visibility? That is private visibility. Here no need to define. So here simply private and public. So in this I didn't define. Why? By default visibility is private visibility. Remember all of you online bit. So the default access specifier or visibility is private. So if the private members, then these are the public members and methods. Clear? Public void get data, void put data. These two are the public members. Then the next one, once the class is declared, we create objects of that type by using the class name. Here object means here class variables. Here two types, class declarations and class function definitions. Okay. Then here simply we are creating objects of the type by using the class name item X. Item X. What is an item? What is an X? Item is the name of the class. So come here. This is the class item. Item is a name. With the help of name, we can create an object of the class or variable of the class or an instance of the class. So then come here integer item X, where X is an object of this class, then item is a class name. Here X occupies how much memory? Integer number, float cost. Here simply 2 plus 4 equal to 6 bytes memory. Clear, all of you? Then the next one, derived data types. Okay, this is the class syntax and example. Clear, all of you? So next class I will give the demo on live. Okay, using C++ editor. Listen all of you. Then class item, integer number, float cost, your public void get data, integer, etc. Okay. Then these are the members of this class. Then these are the member functions of this class. That's why your class is nothing but collection of members and member functions. That's why it is called set of members and member functions. Then your item X is a variable of this item class, or X is an object of the item class or instance of the item class. Derived data types. The derived data types are arrays, functions, and pointers. These are the derived data types. Clear? Derived data types are arrays, functions, and pointers. What is an array? An array is a collection of same related data items with a common name. What is a function? Function is a self-contained block of statements that is used to find a specific task. What is a pointer? Pointer is a variable which holds the address of the another variable. So we know very well already. You learned in C language. Clear? Derived data types are arrays, functions, and pointers. Functions and pointers. These are the operators. What is an operator? What is an operator? So simply here operator is a symbol. Clear? Operator is a symbol which is used to find its own task. Operator is a symbol. Then these are all the operators. Already we learned in C language. Clear? Then these are the arithmetic operators. Next one, relational operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, assignment operators, size of operator, comma operators, ternary operators, and member operators. These are the operators in C++ language. Same. So simply extracted from C language. These operators are also extracted from C language. What are the arithmetic operators? Simply arithmetic operators are simply plus. Okay, all of you, minus, then asterisk, then your slash, then percentile, etc. These are all the arithmetic operators. Here plus is used to add two integers. Then minus here sub add. Then the minus here a minus b. Then simply subtract, find the difference between two numbers. Here product of a into a asterisk b, product operator. Then it is used to find the coefficient value. Then this is used to find the remainder value, percentile and slash. These are the arithmetic operators. So next one is the relational operators. What are the relational operators? Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Then the next one, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. These are all the relational operators. These operators are used to find the relationship between two items, two persons, two things, two cities, etc. Here less than, A is less than B. If it is true, do something. Hyderabad city, here Visakhapatnam city is less than Hyderabad city. So if it is true, then do something, etc. Then greater than. So Vizag is greater than Hyderabad. Then yes or no? My age is greater than you. If it is yes, do something. If it is no, do another thing. Clear. Next one, less than or equal to. Less than. A is less than or equal to. If it is true, do something. A is greater than or equal to. If it is do something, otherwise do something. Then the next one not equal to. So A not equal to B, then do something. Then these are the relational operators. Then what are the next operators? Bitwise operators. We know bitwise operators. So these are also known as bit manipulation operators. These are also known as bit manipulation operators. This is left shift operator. This is right shift operator. All of you. This is complement operator. One's complement operator. So then the next one bitwise end operator. Bitwise end operator. Bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator, etc. These are all the bitwise operators. Your left shift operator, right shift operator. Then the next one negation operator, bitwise end operator, bitwise OR operators. Simply why are you using bitwise left shift operator? So this is used to shift one bit from right to left. Here then the next one right shift operator is used to shift one bit from left to right. Then the last bit here left bit is automatically 0 added there. Right side 0 automatically added. For example, here a equal to for example 9. So what is the equivalent to ASCII value? 1001, that is equal to 9. Here how to calculate this one? Here 9, then divide 9 convert into binary equivalent value equal to 1001. Clear all of you? Then here 2% 9 equal to 1. Then the what is the coefficient value? 4. Again 2% is 2 equal to 4. Then the remainder equal to 0. What is the coefficient value? Then 2 1 0 coefficient value. Then next one remainder equal to 1. So how to convert to binary? 9 equal to binary number. Then convert into 9 equal to decimal number. Convert into binary. This is the binary number. Then I want to apply right shift of A. Right shift of A. Simply, then what is the A value is 1001. I want to apply right shift. One bit moved from left to right. Then here 0 1 0 0. One is moved. Where it moved? We don't know. But last place, so 0 occupied. Automatically occupy 0. That is right shift operator. Then the left shift operator, again left shift of A. Again left shift of A. Left shift of A. Then what is the meaning? Here simply right side 0 automatically added 1 0 0 1 0. This is the right shift operator. Okay, this is the left shift operator. Left shift operator. Clear? Then these are the bitwise operators. Already you learned in first year C programming language. Then what are the next operators? The next operators is logical operators. Next operator is logical operators. These are double end operator. This is the logical end. This is the logical OR. This is logical NOT. These three are the logical operators. Clear all of you? Logical end operator. For example, here A, B, where is A and B, A and A and B. This is a truth table. For example, here A value equal to 0, then B value is also 0, then A and B equal to 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0. All of you clear? So A value 0, then A value 0, B value 0, then A and B is also 0. Next one is A value 0, then B value equal to 1, then the A and B is also 0. Next one is A value equal to 1, then B value equal to 0, then A and B operator is also 0. Logical end operator. Next one is A value is 1, B value is 1, then the output is also 1. Here simply 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into anything, 0. Here 1 into 1, 1. This is logical end operator. Both in this logical end operator, both input operators are true or both input expressions are true, the output is true. Otherwise, false. 0, 0. First false, second false, then false. Then false, 1, false, etc. Then the next one is logical OR operator. Logical OR operator. This is 0, 0, 0. Next 1. Next is also 1. Next 1. So then in this logical OR operator, all the input expressions are false. The output is false. Otherwise, true. Otherwise, true. Your first input expression is false. Second input expression is true. Then the output is true. First input expression is true. Then output. Second one is false. Then output is true. Then true, true, then true. Okay, clear. OR operator. And a NOT operator where A equal to A, then not A. Then A equal to 0, then not A equal to 1. Then A equal to 1, here not A equal to 0. The input is true, output equal to false, not A. Then the input is true, output is false. Input is false, output is true. Negation. Clear all of you? Then these are the logical operators in C++, same as next one, assignment operator. This is the equal to operator. This is the equal to operator, assignment operator. So simply equal to is an assignment operator. Simply we are using equal to. Equal to is an assignment operator. This is used to the right side value is moved from left side variable. For example, here x equal to 5 plus 10. 5 plus 10. So then what is the value of x? Then totally 15. Then 5 plus 10 equal to 15 assign into x. Clear all of you? Then with the help of assignment operator, the right side value assign into x memory location. Then here also then various types of assignment operators available. Here plus equal to, then minus equal to, then asterisk equal to, then the next one is slash equal to, next one is percentile equal to. So assignment operators, updation assignment operator. For example, here a plus equal to b means where a equal to a plus b. Clear all of you? Next one equal to a minus equal to b, where a equal to a minus b. A asterisk equal to b, where a equal to a asterisk b. A slash equal to b, where a equal to a slash b. Then a percentile equal to b, where a equal to a percentile b. Next one is size of operator. This is used to display the variable size of the variable. Next one is the comma operator. This is used to separate two variables, two sentences, two functions, etc. Separator operator. Then the next one is ternary operator. What are the ternary operators? Your ternary operators are question mark and colon. Question mark and colon. If a greater than b, if it is true, where x equal to or max equal to a, otherwise max equal to b, max equal to a, otherwise max equal to b. Clear all of you? Max equal to b. So here a greater than b, expression 1, question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3. Clear? If a greater than b, question mark, m equal to a, then colon, m equal to b. Then question mark and colon are the ternary operators. All of you. Next one is the members operators. Then members operators are used in where member operators are used in. So simply pointers concepts, hyphen and greater than. So hyphen and greater than. For example, here a to b. Here structure variable s without using pointer variables. How to read the structure members? Here a dot or for example here book dot some B and O, book number. Then B dot book dot B name. Okay. So similarly, while using pointers, here book, here book, then member operator, then B and O, similar. Then here book member operator, then B name. Okay, this is the member operator. Members operators are used in pointers concepts. Okay, all of you clear? Okay, then the remaining examples next class we will discuss. Examples next class we will discuss in using C++ editor. All of you don't miss tomorrow class. Okay, so tomorrow onwards, the most important, don't miss. All of you, please inform your friends also. So thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Bye.